friends! Come junk journal with me with all the things that I collected this week. It was Valentine's Day, if you can't tell by these horrendous cutout shapes that I did. Here's a little preview of everything I'll be using today. It's basically all from Valentine's Day or food wrappers from some of the things that I ate. I obviously ate more than just curry and dumplings this week, but this is just what I ate that had packaging that I wanted to use. I love these little dumpling wrappers. It's stuff like this that I love to cut out and use because to me it's like nature's stickers. And of course we need to use heart paper this week. I've been saving this one, and although by the end there's so much stuff on it you can barely see the hearts, but it's still pretty cute. I took this menu from a restaurant called Endive. Me and my girlfriend went here for our Valentine's Day dinner. I honestly don't remember what we had, but look how adorable these little guys are. I am terrible at knowing what to order, especially at nicer restaurants like this, and I just get overwhelmed, so I definitely need to go back there for round 2 and try it again. I'm going to keep this spread simple today and not worry about filling every empty space with paper and stickers. A good way to practice this is to use smaller pieces of paper on different sections, which kind of forces you to accept some of the blank spots. This place has a really cute and unique menu, and I also love when places have paper menus like this. It's so fun to use in journals. You just have to worry about the embarrassment of asking to keep it or not asking and feeling like a criminal for stealing it. I also feel like that gin and milk drink on the menu could actually be kind of good. I kind of wish I tried it. I went to the Malahat Skywalk earlier that day with my girlfriend and our friend and her little boy, and although I'm absolutely terrified of heights, it was pretty nice. They have this giant slide that you can take all the way down instead of walking, but that was a bit too extreme for me, so I definitely did not do that. I have an entire book of cutout Valentine's designs, but I'm going to just use one today because I honestly don't want to spend too much time trying to pick something out because there's just too many options. I bought myself some Solomons, which I've been wanting to do for so long and just waiting to find the color that I loved. So super happy with these. We went to see the new Wuthering Heights movie on Valentine's Day, and I really loved it. It was very spicy. I know there was a lot of people that hated it, especially the book lovers, and I just watched one of the old movies that were made, and it was tremendously boring, in my opinion. So compared to that, I think this was fantastic and just fun. Plus, I really love the soundtrack. I'm basically just gonna try to find any heart stickers that I can to use on the spread. And of course, how could I resist this yellow bow that matches perfectly? I'm keeping this one pretty simple, which sometimes I feel like I need to fill every space with stickers, but I think that when I do less, I end up liking it more in the end, and it's just faster to do, and you really don't need to overdo it. I tend to feel frustrated when I spend too much time working on a spread because I want it to be perfect, so it's funny that the less work I put in, the more I end up liking it anyway. The red, pink, and yellow are really nice, and I'm happy how it's all coming together. And here are all my memories from the week laid out forever for me to remember. Happy Love Day, everyone, and please like and subscribe if you want to join me again, and I will see you in next week's spread. Take care.